When it comes to the safety of your next new vehicle, there are two agencies that determine how well it should be able to protect you in the event of a crash. Those would be the IIHS and the NHTSA. Both are non-profit authorities that give scores to new models after putting them through a battery of crash and safety tests. Only when a new vehicle is significantly updated or fully redesigned for a new generation do these tests need to be conducted, and they are rather pricey for the manufacturer. The NHTSA uses a 5-star system, while the IIHS uses good, acceptable, marginal, and poor. You can find these scores on the Monroney of the vehicle you're interested in, but what do they mean exactly? The NHTSA administers and scores 4 tests. Depending on how well the vehicle performs, they will award 1 star up to 5 stars for each test, then provide an overall score. There's the frontal crash test, the side barrier crash test, the side pole crash test, and the rollover resistance test. Then the IIHS conducts tests that complement the ones done by the NHTSA. A score is awarded with each test, but there is no overall score like the other agency. These include the small overlap, the moderate overlap, and the side crash test. As mentioned earlier, other tests are conducted on things like the safety features of the vehicles, such as forward collision prevention. In 2006, the IIHS introduced its Top Safety Pick Award, followed by its Top Safety Pick Plus in 2013. Vehicles appearing on these 2 annual lists are the IIHS picks as the top safety performers. For more information on what it takes to earn a TSP or TSP Plus award, the active safety features we seriously recommend, how to decide on the safest vehicle in your budget, and much more, Kelley Blue Book's got you covered.